Hello everyone, my name is Vijay, BA 4th Sem, LBD College, Raichur. Today I am gonna explain My Brother, written by Nora Burke. This story is about a family which was living in jungle. This story is about Sher Singh and his family. Sher Singh Bahadur was a famous hunter, and he got this title called Bahadur for his hunting skills. When Sher Singh Bahadur went for hunting, so Sher Singh's younger son Kanwar got severe stomach ache. So his mother gave some homemade remedy for as a treatment, which couldn't work. So his mother felt that he had to carry it to the hospital. So Sher Singh decided to carry him to the hospital, which was in Kalaghat, around 50 miles away from the place where they were staying. He decided to carry him to the hospital. So his mother made a sling from her sari, which will be used to carry him on his back, so that it will be comfortable for him to carry him to the hospital. So he decided to go to the hospital using a shortcut way, where he have to cross a jungle and two rivers. After that, he was hoping to get a lift by crossing vehicles. So he decided to cross through the jungle. At the evening, he started his journey. As soon as he started the journey in the jungle, he started walking in the jungle. Uh, his sense of jungle stopped him from stepping on a cobra, which was like a life saving for him. So still he had to continue his journey. As he continued his journey, and he went to the first river. By the time he reached the first river, he was so tired, and he decided to take some rest there near the river. So he put his brother down, and he decided to take some rest, as he was feeling too much heavy on his back as he was carrying his brother. So as he was taking rest, he heard the sound of group of elephants were coming near him. He felt like helpless, as he was so tired. He could not carry him, neither he could run nor climb some trees or something. So he just sat hopelessly or helpless. He was just hoping for the elephants to leave. As he was hoping, a group of elephants came near to him, and they just saw and they went away. So Sher Singh decided to continue his journey and crossed the first river. By the time he reached the shore, he saw the newly made footprints of tiger. He was so scared and he was so worried by seeing them, but he had no other choice rather than continuing his journey. He started to continue the journey, and he reached near the second river. By the time he reached the second river, it was almost midnight. He reached the second river, and he collected some grass, and he waved a rope, and uh, he tied himself and his brother, so that it can keep them together, where he will not fall down, and it will let them to keep together safely. He started to cross the second river. It was so cold and it was so deep. He thought if he falls down there, it would be hard for him to get up and continue his journey, as he is carrying his brother on his back. It will not be easy to get up again if he falls down in the river. So he started walking carefully and steady and slowly. So as he was hoping, he crossed the second river, and he was hoping to get a lift by passing vehicles, and he got a lift by a bullock cart and a truck. Using that, he reached the hospital on time. So as soon as he reached the hospital, he admitted his brother, and doctor was so amazed that the boy Sher Singh alone carried his brother all the way to hospital, and he assured that uh, his brother would live. And here ends the story. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving this wonderful opportunity. And I also thanks to Anil sir who was very supportive, and he helped me a lot in this, and I'm very thankful for him, and thanks a lot. Thank you very much.